Hello there, sir. Welcome to the Modern Wardrobe. Are you finding everything okay?
Hello. Thank you. I am just looking at your jeans section. You certainly have a lot of them.
We do. We are very proud of our denim collection. It can be a little bit overwhelming, I know. My name is Emma, and I am a denim specialist here. Please let me know if you have any questions at all.
Actually, you are the perfect person I need to talk to. I do need some help. My name is David. I need to buy a new pair of jeans, but I have no idea where to start. There are so many different styles and colors.
I completely understand. Finding the perfect pair of jeans can be a real challenge. But do not worry, I am here to help you navigate the world of denim. We will find the perfect pair for you.
That is a relief to hear. I am in your expert hands.
Okay, David. The first and most important thing we need to decide is what kind of fit you are looking for. The fit refers to the shape or the cut of the jeans.
The fit, right. I can see the different signs here, but I do not really know what they mean. I see skinny, slim, and regular.
Let me explain the difference for you. It is quite simple. Skinny fit jeans are, as the name suggests, very tight. They fit very closely to your leg from your thigh all the way down to your ankle.
Okay, skinny jeans are not for me. I think I would prefer something a little more comfortable.
In that case, you might like our regular fit. This is a very classic, traditional fit. It is straight all the way down your leg, so you have plenty of room. It is a very comfortable, casual style.
That sounds nice and comfortable. What about the one in the middle, the slim fit?
The slim fit is our most popular style. It is a perfect balance between the other two. It is not as tight as a skinny jean, but it is more modern and tailored than a regular fit jean. It is narrow, but still gives you room to move.
A balance between the two. The slim fit sounds like exactly what I am looking for. Something modern, but still comfortable.
I think it is an excellent choice. It is a very versatile style. You can wear it casually with a t-shirt, or you can even dress it up a little with a nice shirt.
Perfect. So I have decided on the fit. Slim fit it is. Now I need to choose a color, or a wash, as I think you call it.
Yes, the wash refers to the color of the denim. We have three main colors in the slim fit style. Let me show you.
Okay, thank you.
This first one is a very dark blue, almost black. We call this a dark indigo wash. It is a very smart and classic look. This second one is a much lighter blue color, which we call a stone wash. It looks a bit more faded and casual. And finally, we also have them in a solid black color.
They are all very nice. I think for this pair, I want something classic that I can wear for many different occasions. The light blue is a little too casual for what I need. I think the dark indigo wash is the perfect choice.
A dark indigo, slim fit jean. We are making great progress. Now for the final and most tricky part. We need to find your correct size.
This is the part I always find the most difficult. The sizes are always so confusing, and they seem to be different in every store.
I know it can be confusing. For men's jeans, the size is usually given in two numbers. For example, you might see a label that says 32 by 32.
I have always wondered what those two numbers mean.
It is very simple. The first number is the measurement of the waist in inches. The second number is the measurement of the inseam, or the length of the leg, also in inches.
Waist and length. That makes so much sense now. The problem is, I am not actually sure what my measurements are.
That is a very common problem. Would you like me to quickly measure your waist for you? I have a measuring tape right here. It will only take a moment, and it will ensure we get the most accurate size for you.
You could do that? That would be incredibly helpful. Yes, please.
Of course. It is part of our service. Okay, just stand naturally for me. I will just put this tape measure around your waist, and the measurement is 33 inches.
33? I did not know that. And what about the length?
For your height, I would recommend a 32-inch length. That is the standard length. So your perfect size should be a 33 by 32.
This is amazing. I have learned so much already.
I am happy to help. Now, let me find that size for you in the dark blue, slim fit style. Okay, here is one pair in your size, and I am also going to grab the next size up, the 34 waist, just for you to compare.
Why do I need to try a different size?
Sometimes, depending on the specific style and the fabric, the fit can be a little different. It is always a very good idea to take two sizes into the fitting room with you. It saves you the time of having to get dressed and come back out to find another size. The fitting rooms are just over there, in the corner.
That is a great tip. Thank you for grabbing another size for me. I will go and try them on now.
Perfect. Please let me know how they fit. I will be right out here if you need any help or a different size.
Okay, Emma, I am back. I have the first pair on. This is the size 33 waist, which is my actual measurement.
How do they feel? It is very important that they feel comfortable.
They feel a little bit too tight, to be honest. I managed to button them up, but the waist feels very snug. It is digging into my stomach a little bit. I do not think I could comfortably sit down in these.
I see. That is very common. Sometimes you need to go up one size from your exact measurement to have enough room to move and be comfortable. Comfort is the most important thing. If you are not comfortable, you will never wear them.
That is so true. I have a few pairs of jeans at home that look nice, but I never wear them because they are too uncomfortable.
Exactly. So please go and try on the other pair I gave you, the size 34 waist. I have a feeling they will be much better.
Okay, I will be right back. I am going to try on the bigger size now.
Take your time.
After a few minutes, I am back again. And you were absolutely right. This pair is so much better.
Oh, that is wonderful news. Let me take a look. Yes, I think they look fantastic on you.
They feel fantastic. The waist is not tight at all. It feels secure, but I can still breathe and move comfortably. They feel perfect.
They look perfect, too. The slim fit is a great shape for you. They are modern, but not too tight. Would you like to check them in the large mirror over here?
Yes, please. Oh, yes. I really like how these look. They are very flattering. Let me just turn around and see the back. Yes, they look good from all angles. I am very happy with this fit.
I am so glad. It is a great feeling when you finally find a pair of jeans that both looks great and feels comfortable.
It really is. And the material itself feels very nice. It is very soft. It is not like some other jeans I have tried that are very stiff and rigid.
That is because these jeans are made from a stretch denim. It is a special type of denim fabric that has a small amount of elastic material, like Lycra, woven into it.
Stretch denim. Is that what makes them so comfortable to move in?
Yes, the little bit of stretch gives you more flexibility and freedom of movement. It is a very popular material for slim fit jeans.
That is great to know. Now that I have found the perfect pair, I want to make sure I take good care of them. Do you have any tips for how to wash them? I want to keep this beautiful dark blue color for as long as possible.
That is a very smart question. To keep the color from fading, you should always wash your jeans inside out. And you should use cold water, not hot water. And try not to wash them too often.
Wash them inside out in cold water. I will remember that. Thank you for that excellent tip. I think my decision is made. I am definitely going to buy this pair of jeans.
I am so happy to hear that. I think you have made an excellent choice. They will be a very versatile and comfortable addition to your wardrobe.
I agree. Now, I have another question. You have been so helpful. I feel like I should take full advantage of your expertise.
Please, ask away.
Since I love this fit so much, I was wondering if you have this exact same style and size, the Slim Fit 34 by 32, in the other color we talked about. Do you have it in black?
The slim fit in black. Let me just check the stock on my store device here. One moment. Yes, you are in luck again today. We do have that exact size and style in black in the stockroom.
That is fantastic news. In that case, I think I will be very efficient today and buy both pairs. It is so rare to find a pair of jeans that fits this well.
It is very rare. That is a very smart shopping decision. When you find something that is perfect, it is always a good idea to get it in multiple colors.
My thoughts exactly. I will have a smart pair for going out, the dark blue, and a more casual pair for every day, the black. My wardrobe is now complete.
It certainly is. So, would you like me to get the black pair from the stockroom for you now?
Yes, please. That would be wonderful.
Of course. I will go and get that for you right now. And I can take this blue pair that you have decided on up to the checkout counter for you, so that you do not have to carry it. You can just go and get changed back into your own clothes.
That would be so helpful. Thank you so much for everything today, Emma. You have been incredibly patient, and your advice was so clear and helpful. You have turned a task that I hate into a very pleasant and successful experience.
It was my absolute pleasure to help you, David. I am so happy that we found the perfect fit for you. I will meet you at the checkout counter with your new black jeans in a few minutes.